We made it to the OC Fair, guys. Let's go. Oh, you guys can bring your water cups, or what are they called? Hydro flask, and you guys can fill them here for free. I didn't know that. I would have brought mine from the car. Oh, the pizza bag. Wow, there's a lot. Oh, the lavabos. They're so cute. Look. Oh, they actually have the boxes. It's so cool.
Okay.
What's that?
It's the only area we can't touch. Okay, here's the baby one. Okay. Yes.
Like only.
You like animals?
Yeah. Is she pregnant? Yeah. I'm like, that's too fast.
Yeah, this is called a goat, Debbie.
There's a over there.
After you're done pitting the pets, you do wash your hands right there, guys. Don't forget that. Orange County Fair, Centennial Farm.
They have a boba stand. It's right here exiting the animal barn. It's right here. Pretend to eat it. So we were eating here at Biggie's. We saw this. Look at this portal. He's upside down. So we got the sausage sandwich, the curly fries, then we got our corn dog. Oh my god, it was so good. Now to see what else we get to do today. Entonces también así es lo hacen en Disney cuando tienen eventos y todo eso. Tienen casitas donde te puedes comprar los boletitos y puedes ir a probar la comida. Babe, they have fried cheesecake right there. It's spinning fast.
There's another one over there too.
There's three of them, no?
That's the bigger one.
That's the big one?
Ahora, ¿por qué hay dos?
Hay tres. I don't know if we're gonna do rides today. Maybe that's gonna be on another video for rides. I think today is just snacks and stuff like that.
No, por eso.
Esa no, esa sí es nueva. Esa no estaba el año pasado. That swing one is not like the one at Disney. And then they have this slingshot right here too. I would never do that one. They have a giant cow and a giant pig. I told Jose that I really want to try to win that because it seems pretty easy. Because there's another channel that we watch, Plush 10 Wins, and shout out to them that they know how to win it. So I've been trying to see if I can learn their technique to see if I can win the pig or the cow. But we'll see.
What's the monster truck? That's 7:30, but we'll see. Hopefully we can go in first come first.
Well, yeah, because on the online it says you have to buy the tickets, but we're thinking maybe it's like first come first serve for.
Oh, look at this floating DJ.
Never that. You did me wrong. What's going on? Strong. Come on. Now I learned how to get along. And so you're fine. Yes. Come on. Pump it up. You should have.
And Monster Truck King LLC, all the way from Albany, Oregon. Give your hands together for Brian Leach in Aftershock. And next up, in a custom 3D body concept, it's got a 454 big block Chevy, sponsored by Walker Filtration and Safety Clean. From Prineville, Oregon, give it up for Andy Seaver in Boss Gator. And next up, in a 2010 Ford Super Duty, it's got a 575 big block Chevy with a power glide transmission, sponsored by Monster Truck King LLC. Give it up, your hometown California boy, Tyler Rose, in Temporarily Insane. Next up, also in a 3D custom body, it's got a 575 big block Chevy, putting out over 15 horsepower. Sponsored by Walker Filtration and Safety Clean. Hailing from San Jose, Costa Rica, give it up for Stanley Hernandez in low. Woo! Next up, in a 2020 Ford Ranger, it's got a 557 big block Ford. It is sponsored by PNW Blanks, Elroy's Toy, and Cyclone 8. From Bakersfield, California, Orange County, give it up for Jared Compton in Anubis. And for our monster trucks, we bought a special treat this year. Right there in the trophy truck body. It has got a Ford EcoBoost engine. He is part of the team, Kid JJ team. At just 10 years old, from Prineville, Oregon. Give a big, warm welcome in his rookie year to 10-year-old Bryce Seaver in juvenile
Oh my God, 10 years old, let's go.
And ladies and gentlemen, over here in the end of our arena, your tough truck competitors, they are presented by Just Musgrave and King Off-Road Racing Shocks. Please give it up for all of your tough truck competitors that will be running here tonight.
Woo. Let's go.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we pay tribute to this great countries of ours, this is Brian's rookie year. He has had a couple of wins under his belt to date. Looks like Brian is having a slight issue with his rear steer. All right, so we're going to go to the next truck up. And that is going to be Andy Seaver in Gold Skaters. We got to get that alligator clap going. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Andy liking to take a bite out of these cars. All right, Orange County, give it up for Tyler Rowe in Temporary.
Dang.
Tyler left his water bottle inside the wheel there. Oh, going for it. Tyler. drove up. If you haven't noticed, they're going in order. Orange County, put your hands together for Stanley Hernandez in Lone.
No.
I think he was chasing his tail on that one. Stanley's wanting to get a little love from all of you out here tonight. It's your next truck up. It's Jared Compton in Anubis. If I have some Ford fans in the house, this is a true Ford. Most monster trucks run a big block Chevy, not Jared. That is all 4 power right there in front of you. Jared is lining up. That is our stopping ramp right there. From Bakersfield, Bryce Seaver, Team Kid KJ, Juvenile Destruction. Now, even with that Ford EcoBoost Turbo, we still had to put a muffler on it out here. There's not much noise coming out of him. Now, a little insider, Bryce doesn't know he's in a mini monster truck. This is the first time that Woody's worked with him. And Woody says, "Are you going to hit the cars?" He goes, "Oh yeah, I'm going to send it."
Here is Rewind. Oh, look at the Street Fighter logo here. Beavis and Butthead. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas is pretty cool.
do you know about this movie?
A lot. Look at this one.
Spider-Man.
Above the Rim was a good movie.
I never saw that one.
So Tupac. That one's really good. You got the old classics here. Remember going to Blockbuster on a Friday, renting a movie for one day. I think I still have the Blockbuster card somewhere, but I still have it, the membership. How many of you have it? Please do not touch, guys. But they got all the Terminator movies.
Matrix.
So much nostalgia, for sure.
Look, original Hocus Pocus.
Ooh, at the Hocus Pocus.
Oh, the ring. That was a good movie.
Can't touch it.
Sorry. My bad. I didn't even know Haunted Mansion had a game.
So you got it.
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty.
Fully restored limited edition. What? Forrest Gump.
That's a very good movie.
Perfect Storm.
The Perfect Storm is a good movie.
Ace Ventura. Billy Madison. Big Daddy. Wayne's World. Look.
Such a classic Vegas vacation.
Yeah. Oh, I remember this one. Vin Diesel and the pacifier. Austin Powers. Look who's talking. Look, Friday. Dang, that brings up memories of that TV. All the posters they have, Barbie. I don't know what movie that is. I don't. Who doggies? I can tell you, I'm not really a big movie person. Go, Jose. Like, I watch movies, but not. I don't remember how the title or anything like that. I just have to like be watching it to remember. Which is weird. Dirty Dancing. Oh my gosh. Silence of the Lambs, all three. Eef. Indiana Jones. Roadhouse. Dang.
That was a good one. If you've seen it, guys, yeah, that's a good movie.
It's a good one. Now we have the Star Wars. Choo, 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 choo. Or side effects. That is so cool. And then we have Batman. Why so serious? See, I like the Dark Knight. That one. Or is it that one? I don't remember, but I think it's that one. I saw it at the movie theaters when it came out. Loved it. And I didn't see any of the other ones. I want to rewatch this one. Because this is a newer one than that one. I don't know. But I like Batman. And then Catwoman's my favorite. Michael Jackson Thriller. That was one of the best ones I've ever seen. What the heck? Babe. That one's nice. Pokemon. Pokemon, the first movie. I really like that one. Jurassic Park is the best movie. Land Before Time. Hunchback of Notre Dame. Not a lot of people give this movie credit. Who is that? I don't know his name, but not, that's what I'm saying. Like, they don't give him a lot of credit. Tarzan. Because I don't know. Prince of Egypt. He's a mask. Babe. Jumanji.
You didn't like this one? Look.
Oh my god. Which way? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. The Crow. The City of Angels. So we, like Jose had mentioned earlier, we are at Rewind. A VHS revival. Oh, that's pretty cool. So cool. Tired, babe?
I can't do that Travolta.
Travolta. Saturday Night Fever. Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me. Best poster I've seen so far. Addams Family. Love that movie so much. It's not working?
Let's see if we can fix it.
Mira, se mira de allá y acá está la cámara donde se mira en la video.
Yeah.
I got it.
I think you're gonna start talking to them. Gabby. Some Mexican funnel cake. I think it's a churro, no?
Yeah, it's a true one.
I think it looks good. How much is it?
I don't know. Can't see that far. $11.40, I think. Oh, $11.60. You want that one, or do you want your cake? So we made it to the games. We're probably not gonna play games today or get on any rides today. Right now we're just walking around, feeling the vibe, looking what we want to do and what we don't want to do, kind of thing. So.
guys. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Anybody want to play? Anybody want to try? What's for you guys?
Jake can't do this. It's too high for him. There's like no one coming back from that side. There's no one coming this way. We could let some tricks like that. I'm thinking of what snack to get. Or if I should get food.
These things like feel so freaking unsafe.
Unsafe?
I don't
Why?
know, like it's not like safe.
Why do you feel unsafe?
Big picture. OC Fair. See you next time. We're out.